Hey folks, Johnny Bonzo here. We are in Interlochen, Florida at Clearwater Lake today, folks. We've never been here. This place looks bassy. Big bass Bilecki over there has already caught two. We have the roundabouts ready to roll, folks. We're looking for a beast. Stay tuned. Yes. Huh? Oh my God. He come out of nowhere. Look at this place. It's beautiful. Can't wait. Stay tuned. Oh, Maddie! Maddie-o! Oh. Oh, man. Oh, she's in the lilies. Oh. Yes. Folks, I'm just running a speed worm through the lily pads. Picked up this one, nice, healthy looking fish, folks. We're gonna get a beast today. I feel it. I feel it. Here's one, folks. All right, folks, so far this place is pretty amazing. Been having a lot of camera difficulties. It keeps overheating on me. It's hot out, folks. Just grabbed this one. Rattle trap's working well. They're chasing bait around here. Also the speed worm. I'm gonna go hook up with Big Bass Bilecki and we're gonna head down this canal over here and go over to Granden Lake and see what that's all about. How big? One? Think you can get another one? That's what I put up with on a daily. Get it, Maddie, get it. Got him? Yeah. All right, folks, we're gonna go down the canal from Clearwater Lake to Granden Lake. Take a ride with me down this canal. It looks a little spooky. Maddie, I gotta head back. Why? I'm losing it. I'm losing power.
Bert, you're going all the way freaking back.
I'm gonna have a hard time getting back.
Shit, freaking jet's coming down here.
Well, folks,
One day you might get a freaking another battery.
this is about how my day's going. About 100 feet down the canal, and I could feel my battery starting to die. I gotta head back to my buddy's lake house. Which is straight across there. I don't like my chances. All right, folks, what a great day we had here at Clearwater Lake. My buddy Big Bass Balecki's just putting up his roundabout. We caught a few fish. Look at this place, folks. It is absolutely beautiful. I wanted to thank my buddy Jerry for letting us come out here and use his lake house. We will be back when it cools off just a little bit. The fishing was fun. The scenery was beautiful. Folks, if you enjoyed yourself, hit that like, share. Ultimately, I would love you to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.